What's up, guys? Welcome back to your girl channel. Today we're going to make some Jamaican jerk pork, and here I have my lovely piece of pork that I washed, so I'm just going to season it with some season to the bone, some jerk seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and some of my all-purpose seasoning. I'm adding some jerk seasoning rub. So I'm just gonna rub this in. You want to flip it over and get some seasoning as well on this side. So when it's nicely rubbed in, I'm just going to spray some olive oil. And I have the oven preheating at 350 degrees. I'm just going to pop this in the oven. So stay tuned. We're going to sauce it up as well. Okay, good. So you want to flip it over on the other side. So I just flipped it. I'm gonna add some of my homemade jerk sauce. So this is my homemade jerk sauce, and I'm just gonna pop this back in the oven for 15 minutes. Stay tuned for the final result. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay, stay for the final result. Okay guys, this is it. This is the final result of the jerk pork. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just going to cut it up and add some more sauce to it. But this is it. Let me know what you think about the recipe. Until next time, God bless you.